If you are an UPSC aspirant, this is a must-watch video for you. I'm going to tell you top 5 news from The Hindu newspaper. Today is 8th May, so come let's have a look. The first news is government plans to redesign Kalindi Kunj barrage to tackle the Yamuna froth. You can see the frothy Yamuna here. So the Delhi government is redesigning the Kalindi Kunj barrage to mitigate toxic froth from Yamuna. Plans include modifying the barrage slope, relocating Dhobi Ghats and enforcing stricter norms for dyeing units. A new Chhat Ghat is also planned at 100 crore. Now this becomes highly important for GS paper 3 environment and pollution, GS paper 2 governance and GS paper 1 geography. Moving forward to the next news. Next news we have entertaining petitions on religious practices can have far-reaching consequences, says the Supreme Court. A 9-judge Supreme Court bench led by CJI Suryakant cautioned that entertaining endless petitions on religious practices could break religious and overwhelm the judiciary. Justice Nagaratna emphasized that India is a civilization where religion is intimately woven into society's fabric. Now this becomes highly important for GS paper 2 polity and governance, for GS paper 1 Indian society. Moving forward to the next news we have, how does Kerala plan to tackle oil spill hazards? Now following the two shipwrecks in 2025, MSC Esla 3 and MV Van High 503, Kerala has drafted an oil spill contingency plan OSCP. It focuses on mapping environmental sensitive indexes and establishing rapid response frameworks to protect its 590-kilometer coastline from hazardous spills. Again, very important for GS paper 3 environment and disaster management, GS paper 3 security, GS paper 1 geography and prelims fact. NGT National Green Tribunal, its role in monitoring state environment preparedness. Going forward to the next news we have, compliance norms could derail EU FTA deal benefits. Now the EU ambassador to India, Herve Delphin, warns that complex compliance norms and regulatory hurdles could diminish the benefits of India European Union Free Trade Agreement FTA. While termed the mother of all deals, it currently lacks an investment chapter and aims for implementation by early 2027. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2 international relations, GS paper 3 economy. For prelims fact, implementation timeline target is set early for 2027. This becomes important. Going forward to the last news we have, Ukraine launched major drone attack after Moscow shunned ceasefire offer. Now Ukraine launched a massive drone offensive attack against Russian regions with over 347 drones intercepted by Russian air defenses. The escalation follows Moscow's rejection of a ceasefire proposal and occurred just before Russia's Victory Day celebrations, disruptions, aviations and heightening frontline tensions. Now this becomes highly important for GS paper 2 international relations, GS paper 3 internal security and tech, GS paper 3 disaster management and economy. And there's a prelims fact, the Victory Day is 9th May. It's historical significant, marking the defeat of Nazi Germany. This becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.